The search for a new chief of schools in Miami-Dade County now in high gear. The school board voted yesterday to move swiftly to replace current Superintendent Alberto Carvalho. The longtime superintendent's last day on the job will be February 3rd. Carvalho is headed to run the Los Angeles Unified School District, the nation's second largest. He says his departure is for personal and professional reasons. But at least one board member thinks Carvalho's exit is because of what she calls a toxic environment.
I think it is on the board, it is the board's loss, and it is and I will say the board's fault that we have lost this fabulous superintendent.
I think it is fair to say that internal and external conditions have shifted significantly over the past few years, and I feel that considering and knowing my leadership style, it is a better fit.
Correct moment, and I don't.
The board has opened a 7-day period in which anyone interested in the top job can apply.